So there is this pigeon, and he is stuck in our parking garage at work. And it makes me really sad because I've been over here for about 10 minutes now trying to help him get out. He keeps like just flying into the net, and there's like levels to this parking garage, you know, like most. So you can't just, he would have to fly several floors down, which he obviously doesn't know to do that. So I've like cut my hands up trying to lift this thing. He doesn't seem very scared of me, but I just keep hoping he'll walk down this way and I'll be able to kind of lift this up and let him squeeze through. I don't know if he'll get that close to me though. Maybe if I prop something up, maybe if I prop, I think my phone will fit. I need something smaller. If he came all the way down here, there's something I could use in my purse to prop this thing up. Stand by. Okay, so I've used a can of biotin to prop it up so that he'll go without me having to get too close. Come on, go. Oh my God. Go, buddy.